the tree.
You won't believe what I've just found. An acorn.
An acorn?
An acorn. I can crack this, and there's a tasty morsel inside of every acorn.
They must have broken it out and not moved. They seem to have lost their horses.
What's the horse thing? Laying in the middle
Let's
of the
go
road.
see this giant cave.
Why, 'tis a build. Alright, whoa, stop. Stop, Kevin. Stop. Look both ways.
You're slow, you're in behind. Why, jolly good.
Essential for red blood cell production. So if you're anemic and in the wild, it's a park bench. The people of San Diego, this pavilion and organ are presented to them and the people of all the world. This pavilion and organ are dedicated by George B. Spreckles and Adolf B. Spreckles.
To the people of San Diego, this pavilion and organ are presented and whoa, 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 whoa.
I found a banana bean pong.
Yeah. So disgusting.
I'm working on it.
Try. I think he will.
He would.
Oh shit.
Can't cut on TV.
I've got gum, I'm gonna have to swallow it.
Disgusting. Or you could spit it out.
Whoa, this actually smells sweet though. Holy shit. I wonder if it tastes good.
You can't swear on TV.
Yes, I can.
And I can
Did you
and I
see
did.
It has no flavour.
We are can. I don't believe it.
Oh god.
What you get for eating it?
It smells no, but seriously smell this. It smells really good.
Oh, I know it. On the map, 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 on the map.
Looking at the freaking map.
Whatever it's called.
There's food right there. It's a nutrition stand right in the middle of the wild.
A statue of a beautiful woman.
That's a man.
Places.
We've got places to go and things to see. Come on, we'll have an adventure.
Come on.
We've got spare diapers. There ain't a toilet somewhere. Diapers are necessary.